Alright, let's do it. And you look for reasons to call me a saint, but And you look for reasons to call me a saint, but what am I doing? I missed it! I mean, what if I just don't get there, you know? So many people make music, it's incredible. And there are so many talented artists that sometimes it confuses me as to if I am unique enough, you know? I don't know if you've ever felt that. But I mean, as you can see, just like any human, I get frustrated with what I'm doing. And I feel like I'm already in an all or nothing situation, you know? You ever feel that? Like, burn the boats type of deal? How do you feel? What's your biggest downfall as an artist? I think mine is losing steam. When everything's going good, everything crumples down faster than if it weren't going good, right? Because when you get your surge of desperation back, that's when you work hard. But then things start to go well. I mean, for instance, like, I probably get, just on Spotify alone right now, like literally 1,000 streams per day on average, I'd say. Maybe a little bit more on average, but it doesn't feel like enough. And I think, you know, seeing it at one point sit at 2,000 per day, dwindle down to 1,000, I think that's part of my issue as to why I'm not holding myself accountable and doing it every day. And I guess this is why I'm starting this. All right. I took a break. I already have this hook that I'm working on. It's done. I need to record it correctly. So first take Drake in this, I promise. You look for reasons to call me a saint, but I've been no good to you all of this time. Somewhere I see you, I'll meet you again, and you'll be the reason I'm calling for change. We're all in the storm, with no rainbows that fall at the end. Yes. Finally! Alright, couple quick layers. You look for reasons to call me a saint. You look for reasons to call me a saint. Well, why am I even making this video? Well, I thought it'd be interesting to test myself and also provide some value to you guys. And the value to you guys, which is the most important part, quite honestly, is to give some words that you guys can potentially relate to when it comes to this. Because I feel for you guys, because I am one of you guys. And I understand that, like, we chose one of the hardest career paths on earth. It's one of the most ridiculed. It is definitely one that requires a shit ton of work or a lot of money, so it's hard to figure out which path you're going to go down. Obviously, most of us have to go down the phase of, or the stage of, the method of making content, and that's hard to do. So I thought that I would decide to find a way to hold myself accountable, and this is probably the best way to do it. And I hope that there's at least a couple of you that are here for it, you know. I want to try to build something where, you know, all artists can actually come together and kind of support each other genuinely, because I think most artists have very self-centered desires, and those self-centered desires really tend to hold you back, you know? I mean, I don't know if you've ever been in a community of artists. Most of the time it's just listen to my song, blah, blah. All right, let's just blow through these verses. I'm gonna just do this in a very fast forward pace so that you guys don't have to watch me screw up constantly as I write these. All that you are is all that I am. A bottle to sleep, it falls from my hands. Decent, okay. It's harder with days I ball with my friends, and you give me space. It's all my own loss, but I'll never change. You're ready to walk, and I'll stay the same. You look for reason. Oh my God. Dawn's turn to days. I'm awful with change. I call for a law, but I'll never be safe. My friends, they won't walk in this place that I've made, so they'll give me time while I give them away. Silent while sober, I'm altered. Silence while sober is louder with days. Violent and colder, I'm stuck in my ways. Tore out a piece of my soul, watch it fade. 'Cause as I get closer, the distance takes space. You look for reasons to... Brother, this is going to be my favorite song I've ever made of all time. I'm gonna go ahead and spare you the time of me having to put layers on this, because why do that? You heard it firsthand. That slapped. We just gotta do one more part. I really want to know though, what is like your biggest problem when it comes to being an artist? What is the thing that holds you back the most? Is it a lack of confidence? Is it a lack of funds? Is it a lack of knowledge? Like, what do other people struggle with? I find it quite interesting that there are so many problems when it comes to being an artist. I think mine is just self-sabotage. I've already explained that a little bit to you guys though. Comment below what's yours. Let me know. This kind of sounds like a place for just another hook, but more intense. No rainbows fall at the end. So we'll just kind of go over that ending hook and just see if we can like... In the storm. No rainbows fall at the end, and you look for reasons to call me a saint, but I've been no good to you all of this time. See you, I'll meet you again, and you'll be the reason I'm calling for change. All in the storm. We know rainbows fall at the end, all in the storm. We know rainbows fall at the end. Thank you for being a part of that. Well, it looks like we're able to end this episode on a high note. I hope you guys like the song. I would like to put the song out eventually, soon, I guess. Just let me know if this is even your vibe. Did you like it? It's personally one of my favorite songs I've ever made. I actually I put the hook on TikTok when I first made the hook ever. Since then, I've kind of changed it a little bit, but it kind of popped off on YouTube Shorts. So, yeah, but that's besides the point. I hope you guys subscribe, potentially, comment something, and like. And maybe this will get pushed to an artist that really could use the, I guess, the motivation and the relatability. Appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you.